My topic of discussion is equivalence relation. So what is equivalence relation? So equivalence relation बताने से पहले मैं इसकी पहले वीडियो में कहा था कि कुछ एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा about reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. So after we tell what is equivalence relation, then we elaborate the examples. Okay. So start equivalence relation. So S be a non-empty set. Okay. And a binary relation, rho is a binary relation on S. Then an relation is said to be an equivalence relation if one reflexive, two symmetric, three transitive, these three property hold. If these three property hold, then we say this relation is equivalence relation. So these are, we elaborate this previous lecture. So now we just show you an equivalence relation example. So start an example and इसी के अंदर मैं आप लोगों को रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव का एग्जांपल भी दे दूंगा. ठीक है, तो एग्जांपल के लिए चलते हैं. द एग्जांपल इज ए रिलेशन. Listen, what is relation? That is rho that define what on the set of natural number. Relation is on the set natural number and defined by rho equals to, that is AB, such that AB ordered pair belongs to n cross n Cartesian product such that A is a divisor of B. So this is the relation. So what we have to show, one is the relation reflexive or not, symmetric or not, and transitive or not. If one of this is not done, we say that this relation is not equivalence relation. Okay, so is this equivalence relation? Now first we check reflexive. So I just say that for reflexive we take, let an element m belongs to, since this is coming from natural number, so m belongs to natural number. So m is also a divisor of m. For reflexive property, m is also divisor of m. Okay, since f is a natural number, m is a natural number, let's take m equals to 2. 2 of course divide 2. Obvious, this is true. So rho is reflexive. For second case, symmetric. For second case, we take two element. Let mn belongs to natural number and mn belongs to also rho. Then m is a of n and also n is a divisor of m. If this possible, then we have to show this possible. Okay, in this case, if this true, this does not true, because if let, since belongs to natural number, m belongs to natural number, so 2 3 2 6 belongs to natural number. 2 is a divisor of 6, that is 6 divides 2, but 2 does not divide 6 in general. Okay, so for that case, this is true, 6 divides 2, but 2 does not divide 6. That is, if this is not possible, so rho is not symmetric. So the third property is transitive. We have to take three elements. Let m n p belongs to n and m n belongs to row and n p belongs to row. So then what if this belongs to relation row, then m is a divisor of n. If this belongs to row, so n is a divisor of p. So in transitive we have to show that m is a divisor of p. Of course, let in general 2, 6, 12 belongs to natural number. So 6 divides 2, 12 divides 6. This is m n p. So 6 n. N divides m, p divides n. So this divisor means n divides m. This divisor means p divides n. Divisor and divides are not equal. Okay, so now we have to show that 12 divides 2, that is 12 p divides m. So this is true. So row is transitive. So this example, row is reflexive but not symmetric, 3 but transitive. So row is not equivalence relation. So in this example, A is a divisor of B. This is not a equivalence relation. मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ जो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन होल्ड करती है, ठीक है। आपको वो खुद से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, नहीं कर पाओगे तो कमेंट करोगे, मैं ये सॉल्व करवा दूंगा, ठीक है। तो ए रिलेशन रो इज डिफाइंड ऑन द सेट इंटीजर बाय A related to B if and only if A minus B is divisible by 5 for A B belongs to Z. Examine if row is equivalence relation. What we have to do? Examine row is equivalence relation or not. Date 1906.